Hello everyone, Bernina Jeff here at High Fashion. We've had a rash of dual feed parts coming apart. The screw here over here on the dual feed mechanism, come on over here and let's come in close. There's a screw that holds the dual feed mechanism together. So when it's stowed, you really don't see it. So bring the dual feed down. There's a screw right in the middle. This screw vibrates loose and all the parts fall down onto your project. And it's possible to put it back together. However, it needs to be adjusted by a mechanic because otherwise the dual feed will not be adjusting the length right, the height right, and it's a very involved process. So we're going to do some preventative maintenance. Everyone that has a 7 series or a 5 series with dual feed, I want you to use your tool that you take your screw out with. This is a 10T, a 10 Torx. It's exactly the same size as the screw on the back here. And for preventative maintenance, righty-tighty this as tight as you can get it. I mean, both hands, it should turn about 1/8 of a turn tightness. And then I would probably recommend check that every 6 months or so to make sure it hasn't gotten loose anywhere. So let's do some preventative maintenance and make sure this doesn't fall apart. Otherwise, you're going to have to bring your machine into the dealer. So remember, Jeff at High Fashion Sewing, 970-256-1293. Check out my Shopify account. It's bernina-jeff.myshopify.com. Thanks.